Hello guys, welcome to my channel Set Nilbars. Today I came with a new extended video about iPhone tutorial. It's just about how to approve iPhone from PC. And I just wanted to request you to do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Your subscribe will appreciate me to make a new iPhone tutorial video which will be very useful for you. So let's start about how to approve phone from PC. Actually, when you acquire a new iOS device, you have to go through an extensive installation and setup process. You should know how to approve iPhone from PC or from Mac or from your personal laptop. Actually, Apple has lots of security feature. How to approve about your iPhone from your PC is mainly because of Apple's insistence upon its customer safety and security. Because of the security feature, this is also the reason why sometimes you may face issues while simply trying to update your iOS. The challenge arises when you are prompted to approve your phone from another device. At this moment, you can easily get around this problem by simply using an iCloud service where you approve your iPhone from another device that is logged in with the same iCloud account. The main purpose of this step is to confirm that it is the same person who is accessing the iPhone. You may face some problem, and if you face some problems getting through this step, you should know how to approve iPhone from PC. That's why the best option to approve your iPhone using iCloud has a never another option or has a never another choice. As I tell you, the best way to approve your iPhone is to use the iCloud service by Apple. You need to be using more than one Apple device for this moment to work. Your Apple device requires a two-step verification before you can use them. Be careful during the authentication process. You will be prompted to approve your iPhone on another Apple device. For this process, you should already be logged in your iCloud account on the other device. When you enter your credential into your iPhone, a message will pop up on your other device showing an authentication code. You need to enter the code into your iPhone and you are all set. Now I am just telling about how to approve your iPhone using Windows computer. But how to approve your iPhone from your personal computer that runs on Windows? The short answer is you cannot. Yes, it is quite probable that you are using a Windows phone but also on an iPhone. How do you go about approving in that case? iOS puts a lots of effort into ensuring your security, and thus it is impossible to find a workaround if you are not able to use iCloud. And I think you are also thinking about how you can approve your iPhone from your Windows PC. So Windows PC is just useless when trying to approve your iPhone. So what is the alternative? Yeah, I know. Lots of questions are surrounding over and over in mind. How to approve your iPhone without an iCloud device? Is it possible? Yes, maybe it is possible, but you can do it by using a trusted iPhone number, not iPhone, just phone number, trusted phone number. You need to have a trusted phone number. Before entering the process, I just wanted to request you, do not skip my video, watch till the end and follow each and every steps about you need to register the phone number on iCloud, and iCloud will send a verification code via SMS to that number. It means your trusted number. Now, if you got the number, it's your turn. You need to enter that code into your iPhone to approve it. First, you need to register your trusted phone number on iCloud. The second option is verification of your number. It means you will get the SMS in your trusted phone number and you need to put it in your iPhone to verify iCloud. Just choose the option to send the code to your trusted phone number. As I already told you, you will receive an SMS or a call with the 6-digit verification code on that number. Just enter the code on your iPhone and you are good to go. Another thing, to get the verification code on your device, go to setting, put your username, password and security keys, get the verification code. This option will appear under the iCloud section in older iOS version. You can also get the verification code on your Mac computer. To do this, just go to Apple menu, System Preference, iCloud, Account Details and get the verification code. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel to get the latest video about iPhone, technology, mobile phones and how to relate it all of your queries and information. Thank you.